Welcome to our video guide on managing DHL shipping. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of integrating your website with DHL shipping services and effectively managing its functionalities through the admin area. Follow along as we demonstrate the step-by-step setup and configuration process to streamline your shipping operations. After successful installation of the DHL shipping module via the app shop in your admin area, navigate to the modules, shipping, and online tabs. Locate the DHL shipping module and click on the edit button to access the settings and configure the module according to your preferences. In the settings section, enable DHL shipping for your website and choose between test and production web service modes. Enter essential DHL information, including site ID, password, payment account number, sender details, weight measurements, network type, product codes, handling fees, insurance amount, and tax classes. Select shipping zone, delivery date rules and ownership settings to provide better control over shipments. Manage the display order of shipping options during checkout. Lower values will prioritize DHL shipping. In the restrictions section, choose customer groups, countries, or website pages to restrict DHL shipping access. Specify the shipping module name for both backend and frontend based on language preferences. Enable package tracking for improved shipment monitoring. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate DHL shipping services into your website and optimize your shipping operations. Start managing DHL shipping today to provide superior service to your customers.